I am Bianca.
Hello! Turtle and Bianca and I are walking in the autumn city. Bianca is feeding Turtle leaves.
Eat up, Turtle! Here you go! Yes, that's right. I'll take these with me. I've already had a big breakfast. Carry me, let's go!
Hello, truck. Where are you going?
To work! Beep, beep!
Bianca, what are you doing?
I'm feeding this cow.
This is not a real cow. But we came to the farm, and here we will try to find real animals. Okay, Bianca?
And I'll eat cookies.
Beep, beep! Bianca, finish your cookies and come feed the animals with me.
Ducks swimming around. Why do you have that money in you, Truck?
It's to buy food for the animals. Put the money back and let's go.
Don't forget me. I've got you. Mama!
Look, here there are several feeders, and you can see who they're for. Carrots are for sheep, goats, donkeys, and cows. Let's turn this. The animals will be happy.
I want some too.
Who should we feed first? Put it on your palm like this. Hold out your palm.
Let's give him more.
It's a goat.
More. Can I do it? Tasty?
The goat had a lovely, tasty breakfast.
We need to go back to the feeders. Bianca, take this coin.
And turn it. This goat is hungry too.
Whoa, what big horns she has. You won't hurt me, goat. She's so sweet.
All the animals here are really kind.
Yeah.
Well done.
Now let's go feed the other animals.
That's a great idea. Where to, truck?
Follow me.
Look how big this cow is. Will she really want such a tiny carrot? Cow, are you hungry?
The cow is busy. She's feeding her calf.
Oh no.
And this is a donkey. He takes the carrot carefully, but he has sharp teeth, so I'll feed him.
He ate it all.
All done! He ate it up! Who will we feed next?
Let's go see who else there is.
Here's the feeder with some other food.
I want to feed them.
Okay, let's turn. and open the flap.
Mama, can I give them the food?
Of course. Geese.
What's your name?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbits love to eat hay.
Rabbit, do you want some hay?
Look how fluffy he is.
I want one like that. I might have a carrot too. You'll get fat, don't eat so much. Oh yeah? Who should I give the rest to? The reindeer! Okay, here you go, dear. All done. You want more? Open your mouth. I'll give you some hay. I wanted to give him this.
He doesn't eat hay, Bianca.
You're really enjoying that, dear.
He even ate a leaf. He ate a leaf.
All gone. And who lives in this little pen? I think we've fed everyone already. Now it's time to feed Bianca. Come on out.
Where's my stick? Oh, here it is.
Come on out.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to.
We really had a great time on the farm. We don't even want to leave. And thanks, Truck, for showing us everything. We'll see you next time on another video here on our channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I want to live in this green home.
I am Bianca.
Hello. Do you like driving cars?
This car is so bad. Let's go in the other one. Oh no, my car. Let's take it to the repair shop. We're taking it to your repair shop.
We'll fix it.
Let's go on this ride instead.
Done. All fixed. Oh, I think someone's clucking and crying. Where are they? Carl, Bianca, the little chicks are hungry. Shall we go feed them?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go.
Where are they?
Take a look. Do you see them?
No. No, we can't see them.
Do you see the chicks? Look to your left and to your right. Maybe the chicks are in the boat? No. Maybe they're in this convertible. Nope.
Maybe they're with this pony. No. Let's go. Hello. Pony.
I can hear them again. But I can't see them.
There's a big tower. It's so high, we can see everything. Little chicks! Little chicks!
got to find them. Come on, we've got to find them. Can you see where the clucking's coming from?
Little chicks! Little chicks! Little chicks! Little chicks! Little chicks! Little chicks! Where are you? Little chicks, I can't see you! Where are you? What do we do? I couldn't see anything.
I know. We can jump up to see. Let's go to the trampoline. Let's go. Follow us.
We need to buy tickets first.
Where?
Here.
When you're jumping up high, safety comes first. Are you strapped in?
Yep.
Our first astronaut is headed for space. Find the chicks.
Look at me fly! I'm jumping so high up. I'm coming down. There! The little chicks! I see them! There! Found them! Found them!
There you are, little chicks. Listen to them chirp. Oh, they're really hungry now.
Let's open their mouths.
These little toy chicks are going to need some toy feed to eat. Take just a little bit and roll it into a ball. Oh, look how much they like it. Now the little chick can hop about. The chicks have had enough food. Now we can treat them to a little bit of slime dessert. I've always got some on me. I think the chicks want to live with us. Do you think so too?
Yeah! Yeah!
Bye for now then. Bye-bye.